Welcome back. Joining Abhijit and me for first-hand insights into the making of a reality show is the business head of Sony TV, Mr. Tarun Katiyal. Hello, Tarun. Hi, welcome to my show.
Thank you so much.
You obviously know Abhijit.
How are you? Fine.
Tarun, you've been an integral part of TV for several years now. First with Star and now with Sony. सैटेलाइट टीवी की शुरुआत से लेकर आज तक क्या बदलाव आए हैं?
बहुत बदलाव आए हैं. Satellite television started with Z many years ago, and with coming of Star and CNN and the big Gulf War, from English predominant television to locally produced Hindi television today, it's been a really big move, and very small budget game shows to Indian Idol. Obviously an era has passed by.
Well, you know, quiz shows have been around for a very long time. Antakshi jaise game shows have been around for over a decade. What, according to you, constitutes reality TV?
It's real people, it's real emotions, it's real drama, and it's something that gets to your heart, gets to your gut, and you feel for the people on screen.
When you decided to do this Indian Idol program, did you think it would be as popular as it has become?
There's never a guarantee to success, but you've got to try hard, you've got to give it your best, you've got to make it the way you think it's going to work, and you've got to see what happens with it. Obviously, it surpassed everybody's expectation on how it became, but yes, internationally this format has worked in very many countries, and so there is that safety net that you feel for. But we got very good talent. Abhijit's a classic example of how good talent can make a good show. All credit goes to our judges and people like Sonu and Anu and Farah, who actually picked these guys at very nascent levels. Among the millions who came, they picked the top 100, 140, and then from there picked the top 30. It's a very difficult job to actually pinpoint and to somebody and say, okay, he has the talent and he will make it. And many people who finally made it to the top 10, some of our judges have pointed out to them at the million stage that you will make it to the top 10.
Really?
Yes.
Well,
in fact, in the case of Rahul Vaidya, Sonu had said that he will make it to the top 3 when he came for audition among...
And do you think that was just a lucky guess, or do you think that
No,
these
it was
people
a very...
really know their stuff?
They know their stuff. It was a very calculated judgment.
You know, Kaun Banega Crorepati mein, I think you could attribute a lot of its success to the fact that it had a superstar like Amitabh Bachchan hosting it. In a situation like Indian Idol, you have all these newcomers, and people tuning in. I mean, lakhs of people tuning in to see these ranked newcomers. What do you think it is? Do you think it's a voyeuristic interest?
No, it is their talent. It is their backgrounds. It is really seeing a true rags to riches story of a real individual on TV and believing that one of us can actually make it and make it so big.
जब आपने ये प्रोग्राम कंसीव किया था, तो उस वक्त आप अपने इंडियन आइडल में क्या ढूंढ रहे थे?
जो भी हम ढूंढ रहे थे वो अभिजीत में है.
तो क्या ढूंढ रहे थे? No, really, we looking for...
एक बहुत अच्छी आवाज़, प्राइमरीली एक बहुत अच्छी आवाज़, एक करिश्मा, एक एक्स फैक्टर, एक अपील करने की क्या जो एक सब्लिमिनल क्वालिटी होता है, वो ढूंढ रहे थे. एक इंसान जो मिलियंस ऑफ लोगों के सामने खड़े होकर गाए और उन सबको लगे कि हाँ, ये हमारा इंडियन आइडल है, वो ढूंढ रहे थे. और 55 million people voted for Indian Idol, and majority of them picked Abhijit for it.
Well, obviously you seem to be the right choice. I mean, you're extremely talented. It's overnight success, thanks to Tarun and the entire team at Sony. But tell me something, Tarun. Soaps and family dramas have sort of been an integral part of Indian television. Where do you think reality TV fits into all of this? Do you think it even has a potential to take over?
It's really, there are two parallel forms of television which will continue to coexist. Soaps are staple diet on television, and reality TV is a good stunt television. It actually delivers to you huge eyeballs. It delivers to you newer audiences beyond the traditional soap watching audiences. And you will meet many people who are not regular watchers of general entertainment who will tune in to watch a show like Indian Idol.
Then how real is reality TV?
It's as real life. And in the case of Indian Idol, These people get onto a stage, the contestants. They have a good day. They sing well. They get good comments. We people sitting at home as viewers feel for them. We vote for them. There's a result that comes out at the end of the night, and you have a winner or a loser every night. So and their emotions are very real. You can't, hide a tear or anxiety or fear or even jubilation. So it's as real as life.
Well, we got some opinions of people as to how real reality TV is and whether it could ever overtake soaps. This is what they had to say.
I think reality shows are good. I mean, they give chance to people who would not get chance so easily. Like, look at these 3-4 guys, Abhijit, Sawant and Amit Sana and all these people. They got a chance of their lifetime. In just 6 months, they have become stars, just like that.
They're all definitely real. Their lives are already changing. See where they've reached. That Abhijit Sawant is rubbing his shoulders with people on like page 3 and all that already.
They're real. I mean, entertainment has its each and everything, so there is a part for reality also, reality shows.
Reality shows won't be able to beat soap shows. Indian society is such, they want to have emotional drama, problems.
Saas Bahu shows need to be beaten, I'm saying. Whatever comes and beats, it's fine, so long as these shows get beaten up.
Oh, definitely. Saas Bahu are totally horrible shows. Nobody should watch them. If you have housewives and all who are watching, then they would probably prefer that Rona Dhona saga. But I mean, for people like us, I guess the reality shows are good.
Better ही है, सास बहू का से तो कुछ नहीं है और reality better है.
Well, it does seem to be the wave of the future. Hey, you got yourself something going here.
We must
Many more such shows coming up.
Correct. I must put a people meter in each of those houses, yeah.
Abhijit Sawant's rubbing shoulders with page 3 people already. My God, has your life changed so much?
Yeah, that's true. Life changed.
आपने कभी सोचा था?
कभी नहीं सोचा था.
एक साल पहले क्या आपने सोचा था?
एक साल पहले मैं स्ट्रगल कर रहा था और कभी भी यही सोचा था कि बनूंगा तो प्लेबैक सिंगर बनूंगा. कभी ये नहीं सोचा था कि पॉपुलैरिटी इस तरह से मिल जाएगी. एक नॉर्मल सिर्फ प्लेबैक सिंगर बन के नहीं रहेंगे, एक स्टार बन के रह रहे हैं. अभी हीरो की तरह एक हमारा पर्सनैलिटी बन चुकी है. स्टूडियो के बाहर आते आते 10,000 लोग खड़े हो गए और सब लोग चिल्ला रहे, सब लोग चिल्लाते, लड़कियाँ चिल्लाती. तो दैट्स मतलब ये बहुत अलग फीलिंग होती है.
आप सच बताइए, जब आप घर वापस जाते हैं और टीवी ऑन करते हैं, आपको क्या पसंद है, रियलिटी टीवी या सोप्स?
रियलिटी टीवी, सीरियसली.
Anyway, we're going to discuss a lot more about reality TV, but first we're going to take a short break. Tarun, producers of these reality shows claim that it's, real as real can be. Abhijit, you've been on the other side. आप बताइए, is it really all that real?
Yeah, obviously that was.
स्क्रिप्ट उसमें कितना होता है?
स्क्रिप्ट तो मेरे हाथ में कभी आया नहीं क्योंकि हमें कुछ बताया नहीं जाता था कि ये आपको करना है या ये आपको नहीं करना है. हमें सिर्फ अपने इमोशंस जो हमारे आने वाले थे, जो भी जब कोई आउट होता था तो जब हम रोते थे या जब कोई फनी बात होती तो हम हंसते थे, तो वो सब रियल होता था. हम लोग कोई रोया तो ये नहीं था कि स्क्रिप्ट में लिखा है, हम लोग हंस रहे तो ये नहीं था कि हा 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 स्क्रिप्ट में लिखा हुआ नहीं होता था.
मैं इमोशनल रिएक्शंस के बारे में बात नहीं कर रही हूँ कि द वे द होल कॉन्टेस्ट गोज, आपका क्या रोल है, आपका परफॉर्मेंस कैसा होना चाहिए या बिहाइंड द सीन्स आपको कैसे बिहेव करना है, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा.
नहीं, कुछ भी सब कुछ रियल था. वही तो मैं कर रहा हूँ कि कुछ भी स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं होता था.
How much has he been paid to say this? He's not even going to say otherwise, right, Tarun?
There's actually really no point scripting reality. It will never evoke the kind of emotion that it does if you script it. Anything fake comes through, and viewers are smarter than that today. Yeah.
But I mean, these programs are so driven by TRPs, right? I mean, there's so much money that's invested into it. So don't you think, therefore, it might work in a channel's interest to create some drama, to create some excitement, to get those many viewers in?
You can't, because like he walked into an audition room, we don't know who was going to walk into an audition room. So
I'm
you
not
can
talking
never
about
create.
that. You know exactly what I'm talking about. That, you have a situation, you realize that, okay, maybe popularity is going down just a little bit, there's interest levels are waning, new angles are needed. Come on, you know how it works.
You can't. There are no angles to throw into the show. Once you start the show, you have to end the show. Once you start the journey of finding the Indian Idol, you have to end with the journey of finding Indian Idol. Okay. If you get good talent along the way, if you get good emotion, if you can evoke the kind of emotion that requires to make a good show, then you'll get the emotion. It is our job to evoke emotions among the contestants, among the viewers. But beyond that, if they don't react, they don't react.
How do you evoke those emotions? By having rude judges, for example. Is that what you're saying?
Not rude judges, but honest judges.
I think they were asked to be rude.
No, they were never asked to be rude. Anu Malik
I
or
interviewed Anu
Sonu
Malik
Nigam.
on my show and I said, Anu, is it fashionable to be rude? You know,
He's very blunt and he's very honest. And that is not something that we ever asked him to do, but that is inherent in him. I'm sure you know Anu more than that to know, what his personality is.
Well, we've taken the opinion of some stalwarts on what they think the future of reality TV is, and this is what they had to say.
Actually, reality TV is just a new name in a genre that has existed for almost 50 to 100 years in television.
Saregama is a reality show. Meri Awaaz Suno, which was on Plus, was a reality show. If you see, Saregama threw up great playback singers for the film industry. So did Meri Awaaz Suno.
Reality shows actually make or break stars. They actually make stars. They give a phenomenal platform to young, creative people who probably struggle for 10 years to achieve what they achieve overnight by working hard. I think they're here to stay, and they're here to create more and more stars.
It is a concept that's here to stay. It's a concept that one needs to look at with different parallels. And I think the raison d'etre of it working is audience participation and audience identification.
One word, you're using a word reality. Fine, that's 50%, I'm not saying. The other word is show, And we're in the show business, and there's no business like show business. Of course, it's a television program, and nobody's life is going to get affected. Come on, let's get real.
Reality is a short burst of machine gun fire, It's not a sustained, long-term kind of storytelling which you get addicted to. It's a short burst and you're out.
Public आज कुछ देखना पसंद करती है, फिर 5 साल बाद कुछ और देखना पसंद करती है. Sure, reality shows are still peaking in India. Sure, they will reach a level and a plateau. Sure, it'll come down. And sure, something else will come up again. And sure, that will go down.
So do you think it's just a wave that's sweeping India like maybe in the West?
Everything has a life cycle. It's, as I said, this is in its first phase. It will get to a point where it'll mature up a little more. And yes, sure enough, a decline will come.
As we saw Deepak Sehgal of Star saying, people don't get addicted to these things. What do you think? Do you think that people, just tune in and tune out? Or do you think there actually is an addiction as far as reality TV goes? People follow their lives. People want to see them every day. People want to see that whole journey. What do you think?
55 million votes would not be not addictive.
Yeah, I agree with you. It's wonderful. I think reality TV has made TV and viewership so much more interactive.
Correct.
It's just wonderful. It's wonderful what technology has done.
Yeah, and it's that much more, ownership, that much more belonging, because you've actually voted once, twice, or 50 times to actually make him the idol. So when he actually releases his album, even 1/10 of them, if they actually go out in the market to buy his album, it's a huge number.
They own you. They voted you in. You're their property. So now you're going to sing for them. Abhijit, that was wonderful. Now I want to know, will you stand for something? Jaise ki in your videos, will there also be those sexy girls with those little bikinis and that whole waist hip shaking thing going on, or will you do a rugby and go the very very stylish but elegant way?
Obviously.
क्या करेंगे आप करना क्या चाहेंगे?
फर्स्ट वीडियो भी जब शूट हुआ था तब ये चीज़ें बहुत इसमें बहुत प्रिकॉशन लिया गया था कि ज़्यादातर ऐसी चीज़ें ना लाएं, क्योंकि मैं रिलेट करता हूँ लोगों से. मैं एक उनका रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हूँ, इसलिए आज मैं यहाँ तक खड़ा हूँ. हर किसी ने मुझे वोट किया है, इसलिए मैं यहाँ तक पहुँचा हूँ. और जो नॉर्मल लोग, जो एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से या नॉर्मल जो पब्लिक देखना चाहती है, वो आई थिंक ये नहीं कि कोई बिकनी में मेरे साथ डांस करिए या समथिंग लाइक दैट. ये चाहता है कि जो
तो
हमारी
आपके वीडियो साफ सुथरे रहेंगे,
तो वही होगा कि जो नॉर्मल है वही दिखेगा और almost reality.
And what do you think? Do you think that's good for the marketing of this album?
Very good, yeah. He's the people's representative. He appeals downward from the lowest common denominator to the to the Malabar Hill of Bombay and the big high flies of any other metro. So he actually touches them at the chord, and I don't think vulgarity sells after a point.
I completely agree with you. But thank you both so much for being on the show. Thank you for your opinions, your views, your perspectives, and your singing, Abhijit. It's been so lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you.